guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Grandma in a Box unboxing for August. Ooh, it's an Under the Sea theme this month. You always get these cards, tells you the theme, everything that's in the box, and then all the recipes. So the first one is Baby Shark Pops. Also have clams with pearls. Oh, that looks cute. And the last one is always a cookie project. So, yeah, the kids are here because they love this box. Let's see what this is. Yep, Grandma does all the work, so you have all the fun. So she comes up with all these little recipes, little creative ideas. And if you want to join, I will put all their information below. We're going to open Grandma in a box. She loves this box. They both do. So, the ingredients. We have some marshmallows. We have some melting chocolate that's blue, white, and green. Some vanilla wafer cookies. Oh, look at the pretty icings. I love pastel colors. We have this really pretty coral. Blue. Yeah, the sprinkles. Can I see those? She wants to help. Some goldfish crackers, some blue sprinkles. Blue for a little clam. Ooh, purple. You like those a lot? This one's open a little. That one is an orangish color. Ooh, the purple looks like there's different colors in it. Oh, that's pretty.
Let me see.
It's like purple, blue, pink, white. We also have white. Some graham cracker crumbs. Okay, yeah. Some fish cookies, some stars, and some clamshells. So we're going to insert the footage of us making the projects now. So for the first project, I melted the chocolate, mixed it up really well so that all the colors combined. Then you take the sucker sticks and put a little bit of chocolate on the end and stick it through the marshmallow. That way it will harden and it's not going to fall off. I've also dumped the graham crackers in a tiny bowl. So next you're going to dip the bottom in the bowl. I use the spoon to kind of help smear the chocolate on the sides. You want to do it about halfway up. Then you dip the bottom in the graham cracker crumbs and then put a little goldfish on the side. Super cute. I remember making those last year, but some of the projects do change year to year. So I normally do about 2 of each project just to show the kids. And then they do the rest. And they both love marshmallows, so they ate these in the middle of doing the other project, so there was only like 1 at the end left. And the next project I thought was super cute, and I don't remember making this one last year, so this might be new. But you spread just a little bit of the chocolate on both sides of the vanilla wafers. You put a little white chocolate candy in the middle, and then you could sprinkle the inside with the white sprinkles, which in hindsight I should have done before I put the lid on it. But then you can also put the eyeballs on, and again, the first one I kind of struggled through, but the other ones, I put the chocolate on the vanilla wafer, and then I put the eyeball on top, because my hands are too big to be handling those little tiny things. So I thought those were super cute. And then the last project is always cookies. So I, again, do about 2 of them, typically. And I try to show the kids different ways to decorate, and I'm not good at it, but they normally just spread the icing all over. So I'm trying to work with them each month to show them how they can make designs or patterns, and the 2-year-old still doesn't care. And the almost 8-year-old still doesn't care as well. They just want to put the icing on it and throw sprinkles on it, and that's fun to them. So we let them do whatever they want. They love this box, and they've really enjoyed it throughout the years. So here's our creations at the end. Some have very little icing. Some have a ton of icing. One just has sprinkles on it because that's what the 2-year-old wanted. And here's our last goldfish marshmallow. And then our little clams. Very, very cute. If you guys are interested, I'll put all the information below. Make sure you sign up for a subscription if you're interested. And thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.